Today we'll be discussing about DayTools on the platform down below in the navigation bar. You can find for App Marketplace here. You can search for DayTools here. You have to install DayTools first. Here it is. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts at the same time. And I'm choosing this one. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards agency level. It is loading at the moment, and the next step will be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed DayTools. Here we are on the sub account, and here we have to create a workflow to do that. So in the navigation bar, you can find for automations, click on that, and create a workflow starts from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder, and let's just see what value is being provided by DayTools and what are the actions that DayTools provide us to use in our automations. Let's check on find for DayTools. Here it is. These are the actions that are provided by DayTools. You can have day manipulation, format time manipulation, format in ISO, convert time to Unix time, format date manipulation, date differences. Let's just check on each action now and let's discuss what are their functionalities. Day manipulation is basically just scheduling and calculating the days of your working, and you can just use it for scheduling your meetings as well. Let's just enter the date. What is today? The day of the week, that is Thursday. And if you enter a value 1, you will be having the same action executed after a week on the same day. Let's say we are using it on Thursday, it will be also doing this action again the next week, same day. Save this action. After that, saving this whole all of the actions, I will be showing you with the results how it basically works. Format time. You will be using the format of the time that you can use 24 hours or 12 hours. Save this action as well. Now comes a turn of time manipulation. You can use the time manipulation to just calculate the working hours and of the hours you are just taking off. Let's say it is 11 p.m. and the time is like 30 minutes and the unit will be minutes. Yeah. So save this action as well. Format in ISO, you can just convert your time accordingly towards any other time zones as well. You can just change the time zones basically. Today is a day 21. The time is like 6 p.m. or 6 a.m. in the morning. You can just change the time zone accordingly. If you want to change the time zone towards Australia, Sydney, it will be converting that for you. Convert date to Unix time, that is a very powerful tool, and you can just play a wider role by using this tool into your automations. You can just be more precise with your time, with the time frame, with the seconds, with the milliseconds, up to you want. Let's enter the date using the custom values. Date tools, we had used the day manipulation, the date and the time. Let's say we were also using the same format time response. Format date. you will be entering the date accordingly. And if you enter the first year, then the month, for example, and then the day as well, you will be changing the date format accordingly. Like this one, we had entered into the same format. If you want to change it, you can do that as well. But we will be going with the same one. Now comes the turn of date manipulation. You will be entering the date, the value with that. Let's say it is 5, and you will be doing the same stuff for every 5 days. If you have to increase them, you will increase them, decrease them as well. You can increase the weeks, months as well, and decrease accordingly. So if you can just choose weeks, it will be appending accordingly. Last but not the least comes the turn of date difference. We will be just entering the data manually right now. The days, it will be the same. Now we'll be entering some notes to check the results, and also with the notes we can also update any of our contact, custom values, the manipulation, the data. The response. And now comes the turn of time manipulation, the response. We need everybody's response now. So what we are doing right now is just finding further responses. And the statuses as well, date manipulation, status, date difference, the data, results. You can also just enter some text with that. Let's just save the whole, and now we'll be testing our workflows. Choose any of your contact to update on. It will be automatically sent to set that contacts notes. Run this test and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, one by one, every of the action is being executed now. And now the notes are also executed. Let's just see what we got the results. Now we are here with the project, the context notes in the sub account, and let's see every of the results are entered. Now here you can see the results by yourself. To handle your projects with timeliness and just save your time, just use this in your automations, and you will be having seamless and, I would say, endless options to avail on. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.